All right, Bronco fanatics, it's showtime. Yes, for the first time in, a decade, we are going to go down the road. We've got, well, we're almost done, but hey, it's moving. This is the first time I've driven this car in 10 years. So here we go. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, I missed my baby. Oh my gosh. Well, if this ends badly with an explosion, hopefully my wife and son will get 1 million views. And, love the exhaust. Thanks to Duff's. That was awesome. God, I love it. I love that sound. We're getting a little rough here with the Phi-Tech, but that's all right. We haven't been using this much at all, so holy cow. This is the farthest it's driven in 10 years. Holy cow. So here we go. Beautiful day here in Arizona. Little stiff on the shift, but that's all right. We'll get it figured out. Hey, it's moving. That's the main thing. So, yay, team. So we're going to work on this and get it all going. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody. And we will share with you our progress going forward.